If you're installing a mini split, you're probably wondering what wire you need to run from your electrical panel to the outdoor disconnect box. The good news is that figuring it out is actually pretty simple. You just need to know what mini split you're installing and whether it's a 120 or 230 volt unit. And if you're looking for the mini split or disconnect box or wire or any of the materials in this video, you'll find links to everything down in the description below. Let's start with the first step. Before you buy wire, you need to know what size mini split you're installing. A very rough rule of thumb is a 250 square foot room might need a 9,000 BTU unit, a 500 square foot room might need a 12,000 BTU unit, and a 750 square foot room might need an 18,000 BTU unit. And if you're not sure what size mini split you need, I have a separate video that walks through the sizing process, and I'll link it below. Once you know the BTU size, the next step is finding the mini split you actually want to buy. This is where a lot of DIYers make a mistake. Don't assume the voltage based on the BTU size alone. For example, a 12,000 BTU mini split could be a 120 volt unit or a 230 volt unit. It depends on the specific model. Most Amazon listings make this easy because they show the voltage right on the product page. Before you buy any wire, simply find the mini split you want and verify whether it's 120 or 230 volts. Once you know the voltage, choosing the wire is easy. If your mini split is 120 volts, you commonly use a 20 amp single pole breaker and 12-2 wire. If your mini split is 230 volts, you'll commonly use a 30 amp double pole breaker and a 10-2 wire. One quick note about disconnect boxes. It's perfectly fine to buy a disconnect that's rated for more amperage than your mini split actually requires. For example, homeowners install a 60 amp disconnect even though their mini split only requires 20 or 30 amp disconnect. The disconnect simply is acting as a shutoff point near the outdoor unit. Always verify the electrical requirements listed in your installation manual and on the equipment nameplate before purchasing materials. At this point, all that's left to do is run the wire from your electrical panel to the outdoor disconnect box. For most DIY mini split installations, that's all you need to determine before heading to your local hardware store. So let's recap. Determine your BTU size, find the mini split you want, check whether it's 120 or 230 volts, and choose the correct breaker and wire. Then run the wire from your panel to the disconnect. If you need a mini split, a disconnect box, wire, or any other materials used in this video, you'll find links available for all of it down in the description below. And if you have any questions about your specific mini split, the installation, or anything else, leave a comment below. Let me know the size of your room, the mini split you're considering, or any other electrical questions you have, and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.